Do you want to make your Facebook business page easier to find? One of the simplest ways to do this is creating a custom username so you have consistent branding across all your digital platforms. If you don't update it, Facebook will just assign your page a random series of letters and numbers. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of the Social School and digital marketing consultant, where I help small business owners optimize their digital presence. Today, I'll walk you through step by step on how to change your username on a Facebook business page. First, log into Facebook. You can do this on the mobile app, but I think it's much easier on desktop. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your business page. Choose the business page where you want to change your username. On your page, click Settings from the left-hand menu. Then choose Page Setup. Find the name field, and from there you should see Username. This is where you can create your custom URL. Type in your new username. Facebook will let you know right away if it's available or if you need to try another variation. Once you find a username that's available, click Save Changes. Your new username will update immediately, and your Facebook business page will now have a clean, professional URL that you can share with customers. And that's it. Super simple. By updating your username, you're making it easier for customers to find and connect with your business on Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and sign up for our newsletter. I'll link it below. And if you want more support with optimizing your social media platforms, check out my group coaching program, The Social School.